can't see. 77. Is it 55? I'm not wearing my glasses.
Oh. Wave at the driver.
That's cool.
Wave at the driver.
Yeah, did you see him? He waved. He's friendly. What do you think's up front? Which one do you think? MP36 or F59 PHI? I think it's an F59. We'll see. The PHI. Okay. Yeah, it's an F59.
No, what number? 880.
880. Yeah. All these trains sitting here. Well, 2 trains sitting here, and then the passenger trains keep coming and going. It's a mixed freight.
Hey, I know what I call those. Tankers.
Tankers.
Tankers. You know, I saw a video on YouTube that BNSF had Norfolk Southern. You know Norfolk Southern?
Yep.
They're very cool, huh?
They are, and you see
Have
them
you
here every
seen
now and
those
then. Yep.
And what were you like?
Actually, I was in Cajon Pass.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
A lot of them.
8. You want to count?
Oh, I'll let you do that.
9.
I'm recording.
10.
Probably. Look, the crew just changed. Did you see that? They came out of the cab, and then now that 2 new guys are going in.
Oh, you're not.
Oh, another! Here comes another freight, man.
That's not loud. Oh, good crew. That's a good crew, right?
Yeah.
Wait.
Whoa, man.
Help her.
I can't see. Now I can see. What is it? 4267?
Wait.
Yeah.
Fair table.
Yep.
How fast is it going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep.
You know, it's leading is straight, right?
Yeah.
No. How was that?
I don't know. Let's see what.
Wait, did he wave at you?
That guy? Yeah, he did. He just kind of like real quick, but he did. Did you see him?
TTF. What time did you wake up?
Oh, like about 7 this morning.
I woke up at 4:47.
Why?
I had 8 hours of sleep. Pretty good. What time did you went to bed at?
Ooh, I went to bed late. Like about 1.
1 o'clock in the morning. So how many hours of sleep?
Like about 7 hours.
Is that good?
Not bad. Cool, huh? We're getting a lot of good trains today.
How fast is it going?
I'm gonna say this guy's going probably like about 35 miles an hour, 30 miles.
They can hit you when you're on the tracks.
Yeah. Maybe like 30 miles an hour, maybe.
Did it crash or no?
No. Yeah, you don't want to mess with those. You could really get hurt bad. It kills you very quick, you know?
Really?
Yeah, people are really dumb. Sometimes they jump in and out of train cars when they're parked. You're not supposed to be playing on them when they're parked.
Is that a coal car?
That's a gondola.
It's a gondola.
It's something they use. Sometimes they'll put steel coil in them. Sometimes they put like scrap metal.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It's all kinds of stuff they put in a gondola.
Yeah. You know what?
The bottom doesn't open. You know, it's like a hopper.
This is a bear table.
Yep, you're right.
Yeah, and you know what you call that double container one? Stacker.
Yep.
See that guy's recording? So do you.
Yep. Awesome.
TTF?
Yeah.
I think I'm near the train, huh? It's kind of long.
Oh yeah.
Very. And this one's going how many miles an hour?
Really slow.
Like how much does that guy go?
I don't know, like 15 miles an hour maybe.
This one's going more faster than him.
Yeah, this guy's going faster. He's speeding up. You can hear it. Can you hear how the sound of the wheels
How
sound
fast
like
is he going now?
I don't know. I'm thinking it's going like 35, heading to 40. Oh look, he's finishing.
And here's a
Let's
man.
go.
What's that beeping? What's that light mean?
It's an end of train indicator.
Where's that going to?
They put it back there. Remember how
Are they going to LA? Yeah, this is a long train. I know what you call those cars. I know what you call them.
what's that?
Bumper cars.
Yep.
Oh, still more? That's very, this
Whoa, there's some Baretables at the end.
that's cool. Borax?
That says Borax. A lot of those Borax cars, they go to Mojave
What is that?
Desert.
What's that?
There's a mine over there where they mine borax. They use it for like cleaning and
Oh, that's a very long train.
yeah,
Is
it's
this
really
like
long.
100 cars or something?
I don't know, probably at least, but because the other one was going past it.
Finally here comes Santa Cruz. Man.
There we go.
Let's see. It's a DTTX, huh?
Yeah.
F415. Hey, you know, like RBBX units 18520.
Mm-hmm.
You know, number 18520.